Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Scorpio, po na mensahe ninyo. We have coming into power. Ayan, I step into my power boldly and confidently. Scorpio, for some of you, maaring maaring in the past, no, your life, was run, no, by other people. Maaring you allowed other people to dictate you kung ano yung dapat na gawin, ano yung path na dapat ninyong tahakin, yung ganon, yung parang kontrolado kayo, no, ng kung sino man. Pero ngayon, you're going to reclaim your power. You're going to come into your power. Magiging malaya na kayong magdesisyon para sa sarili ninyo. Parang malaya na kayo na gawin ang mga gusto ninyo, which is really beautiful. 'Di ba? This is your victory, no? Nag-succeed kayo, no, na makalabas, no, sa ganitong sitwasyon na parang nasa restrictive energy kayo. So what else? We have igniting courage, and you need to ignite your courage dito. You need to activate your inner strength and courage for you to be able to do that. Kasi hindi ito madaling gawin, no? This is not an easy thing to do. Kaya eto, magpapakalakas ang tawag dito, maglalakas kayo ng loob talaga para magawa ninyo yan, which is really, really good. Kasi it's not an easy thing to do talaga. Revealing radiance, my light illuminates the world. Ayan. So, siguro ito yung mission ninyo sa ngayon. Scorpio, this could be your mission in life, to use your own light, to help other people find their own light. Maybe nag-a-advise kayo, magaling siguro kayong mag-advise, no, sa maraming tao. Siguro ikaw din yung tinuturing nilang kanilang liwanag, inspirasyon. Maybe you're also serving as a beacon for others. Yung ganun ba? Parang ikaw yung nagagabay din sa kanila. So, maaring trabaho ninyo is counselor siguro. Baka you're a life coach, you're a mentor, no? Along those lines, siguro, spiritual guide, no? Yung mga ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon, Scorpio. We have dwelling in truth. I stand in the light of truth, which is really good, diba? Kung anong katotohanan, doon kayo. 'Di ba? Hindi kayo matitinag, no, ng kung sino man, ano man ang gawin nila, no, you're going to stand in your truth. You're going to stand in the light of truth. So what else? We have making a difference. Ito na nga, no, Scorpio. So ito talaga yung ninyo, yung mission ninyo sa buhay sa ngayon. To make a difference in the lives of many. No? Kayo talaga yung nagsisilbing liwanag, inspirasyon. Siguro, isa din kayong motivational speaker. Siguro, nagme-message kayo, nag-share kayo ng inyong wisdom, nag-share kayo ng mga life lessons ninyo that you've learned, no, sa life's journey ninyo, at marami kayong natutulungan. Maraming mga taong na-inspire siguro sa inyo, no, sa mga sinasabi ninyo. Maaring kayo, nasa isang platform kayo wherein you're very powerful in influencing many people in a good way, no? Siguro kayo, maaring spiritual guide, spiritual counselor kayo, yung mga ganon, no? What else? We have is starting fresh. Ayan. So, definitely, no? Yung coming into power dito, you're heading towards a new beginning. You're heading towards a new life. Kasi nga, makakalaya na kayo from restrictive energy. Makakalaya na kayo doon sa pagdidikta ng kung sino man sa buhay ninyo, pagpapatakbo ng kung sino man sa buhay ninyo. You are going to start fresh, no, sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. You're going to head towards a new path sa ngayon na malaya, no? Malaya na kayong magdesisyon para sa sarili ninyo. This could be also something else, no? For others of you naman, baka meron kayong sisimulang bagong trabaho, karera, negosyo, no? So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito is going to start a new career, no? From working 9 to 5 job. Maaaring sa ngayon, you're going to head towards spiritual career, no? So, maaaring ganon ang sitwasyon. Letting go. Ayan, I surrender joyously to the ebbing and flowing of life. Ayan, so, you're going to let go anything, no, and everything that doesn't serve your highest good. So, what I'm picking up dito, you're clearing your life, you're decluttering your life, which is really good. Maaari din na you're going to let go of the control, no, sa kung ano man ang resulta, ano man ang outcome na ine-expect ninyo, na maaari ngayon you're going to realize na the more na kinokontrol ninyo to, the more na lumalayo sa inyo. The more na pinipilit ninyo, ini-insist ninyo ang gusto ninyong mangyari, the more na mas lalong walang nangyayaring maayos, mas lalong walang positibong nangyayari sa kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo. Kaya you're just going to surrender, no? You are going to decide to let go of your control, and you're just going to surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life, no? And with that, mapapansin talaga ninyo na magaan ang buhay, magaan ang journey kapag inaalaw natin ang universe, no, na siya na lang ang magdikta. When we surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life, no, mapapansin niyo na kahit may mga problema, may mga obstacles na dumadating, magaan pa rin ang pakiramdam, no? Tsaka solutions ay lumalapit, kusang lumalapit, no? Mapapansin din ninyo yan. So, what else, Scorpio? We have embracing the future. I step into the future with an open heart. Ayan. So, parang ang iba rin sa inyo dito, maybe you are also making plans for the future. At saka, you're open for anything. No? So, siguro, bukas ang puso ninyo, bukas ang sarili ninyo para sa kung ano man ang posibleng mangyari. No? Maybe you are anticipating, no, kung ano man ang sa tingin ninyo siguro ang maaring mangyari, no, pero not necessarily na ipagpipilitan ninyo yan, but parang open kayo for anything, no, in the future. So good luck, thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.